Well, it's been a while since I've posted a video, so I thought I'd get back at it. Just been busy. Latest project, trying to build a pond. See behind me, I kind of took the Kubota, the 5-foot box blade, started digging, burned I don't know how much diesel, maybe 30 gallons, and put 60 hours of machine time on the tractor and didn't get very far. Let me show you what we got so far. So there's our lagoon there, and then if you pan over here, right here is kind of a ridge. That's going to be the edge of a pond. See that orange stake is a drain tile. Go over this way a little farther, then up there on the ridge, it's kind of where the edge of the pond, other edge of the pond will be. So it's about, I don't know, it's maybe a half-acre size. So the Kubota wasn't doing its job, so I had to come up with a better idea. Let's go take a look. So there's the old Kubota that I started digging the pond with. Trying to do a big pond like that with just a little Kubota tractor. Come on, why won't you focus? There we go. Anyway, trying to do a big pond with a little tractor was not working well. So I had a few options. I could hire someone to come and dig it, pay him who knows how much, $10,000, $15,000. Keep using this, dig it, take 2 years. I didn't like those options. So what I did, went on Big Iron online auction site and bought that. It's a Caterpillar D6C. It's got the D333 turbo motor in it, so 120 horse, 10-foot blade, and she's pretty rough shape. It did run when it was brought here, came in on a lowboy, but she had some problems. Currently, I have the head off, as well as the fan, water pump, and I'll show you why I had to do that. Alright, back in the shop. Here's some parts off the old Cat. Got the turbo here. Here's the compressor side. Not too bad, but flip it over to the turbine side. Major problems. I don't know what happened. My guess is the exhaust stack was uncovered, rusted up, and then a big chunk of rust came through and really did a number on those fan blades. So needs a new turbo. The water pump was completely locked up. So here's the innards of the water pump. It's going to need new seals. There's the inside. New seals, new shaft, new bearings. Bearings were, I don't know that they'd ever been greased, but yeah, they're pretty bad. Pretty rusty there. So then, got those off, those need replaced. Here's the cylinder head. Get a closer look in here. Filthy. I don't know, this oil is, yeah, it's pretty bad in there. This is a pre-combustion chamber engine. And here's the pre-combustion chambers go in these holes. Those are torqued down, I'm not sure exactly, but I think it's around 175 foot-pounds. the injectors are not torqued that tight. So when I went to remove the actual injector nozzles, it twisted the whole pre-combustion chamber out. The reason that happened is, let me flip this over. Alright, so here's the bottom of the head. And try to zoom in there. That's a problem. See that crack right in there? That one's cracked. That one's cracked. Caused by overheating, I would imagine. I don't see any other ones. But yeah, that's what we're dealing with. 2 cracks at the pre-combustion chamber threads. So, this is just a quick preview. I'm not sure if that head can be repaired or if we have to replace it, but I'll take you through the journey as we get it going. Give them a little tap, tap. Injector nozzles out. Now, got a special tool to get the chambers out. This little spline looks like a bolt. Should go down in there. Be able to turn it. Going back and forth. I want to strip the thread. Not that it matters on this anyway, the head is probably junk. See if I can get that old gasket out of there. There it is. That's the seal. You can see it's just, should be rubber. It's not. What is going on here? So that should be fun to get out. Next, maybe I need to quit messing with the back and forth and just take them out. Seems like, now this is stuck in there. There we go. Let's see, this is this one. And the last one. That one's not moving. Pipe wrench. First, let's try the old Knipex. Cobras. See what they do. Oh yeah, it's nice. Give her a little more juice. Hopefully it soaks down in there. Must be the decompression lever. Oh! Hip! Hip! Oh, come on. Yeah. A little bit. Why are you in there so good? Whew. It's loose, but then you get it turned about a quarter turn. Gets tight again. Okay, come on. Hip. There we go. She's getting a little easier. There we go. Whew. So this one will need replaced because I messed up the splines on the inside. That's all right. Okay, so that's just a little bit of a preview of what we've got going here with this old dozer. I think my next step is I'm going to take that head, see if I can get it repaired. There's a cylinder head repair service in Iowa, not too terrible far from where I live, and I think they may be able to repair those cracks. It's going to save quite a bit of money, hopefully, so we don't have to buy a new head altogether. I am going to have to buy a new turbo, at least a turbo, cartridge assembly to put in there. I might even just get the whole new turbo with the housings, since the exhaust side, the turbine side of the turbo is pretty rusty and
don't want to take out a new, you know, new $1,000 part with rust coming loose. So besides this, I got a few more projects that I want to share with everyone, but you'll have to keep watching and we'll look at those later. So if you want to see more of this, stay tuned. Also got some other diesel things to work on, and we'll look at those later. I really appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you next time.